You must have seen a lot of energetic people in your life. They do a whole bunch of things, starting from morning till evening, multitask, and then the energy seems to never go out of their system. You yourself probably are one of them also. So this is a question for you to ponder. Where do we get our energy from? If I ask you, where do you get your energy from? And maybe some of the answers come is like we eat, that gives us a little bit of energy. We drink water, that gives us energy. We expose ourselves to the sunlight and that gives us a little bit of energy. But is that it? Does it really add up? Meaning, is it like if you want extra energy, will it help if you eat more? It doesn't add up, isn't that so? So there is some secret ingredients which basically has the potential to unclog that energy reservoir within ourselves. I'll just give you a situation. Think about like you had a very long day, a very long, tiring day. And by the end of the day, you just came home, you returned home, and then you're absolutely nothing left inside you. And then you come home and you see this pile of dishes in your kitchen. And that's because your domestic help didn't show up. And you look at it and then say, oh my goodness, I have no energy for it. What do? We generally just dump ourselves onto the sofa and then just waiting there for somehow something to happen. Now, can you imagine yourself into that situation? Now think at the same time, if your phone rings, you look at it, and then this is one of your very old friends from your childhood. You haven't seen him or her for like a number of years now. And to your surprise there, he or she is calling. You answer, the friend says, hey, I am here in town and today is the only day I'm going to be here. Would you like to meet up? What is your response? Not only that you say yes, you get energy to you and jump off of that couch, get ready, spend the entire evening with your friend. Probably it will lead to the rest of the night and then you come back. What changed? Did you eat something? Did you drink something? Did you expose you to sunlight? No, something fundamentally changed within you that within a flash of a second, you all of a sudden were able to produce and invite so much of an energy. That is because you really wanted to do it. There's a principle that we want to keep in mind is greater the will, greater the flow of energy. The moment there was a big yes within yourself, it allowed that endless source of energy to just flood yourself and you were able to spend the rest of the evening without really feeling anything that you were feeling when you just returned from the office. Now, this is a principle, but its corollary is also true. What is the corollary? Greater the will, greater the flow of energy is the principle. And less is the will, less is the flow of energy. And that's precisely what you experienced when you saw the pile of dishes that I absolutely don't want to do it. Now, this is a point I invite you all to ponder. If the life actually brings to us only situations that we really, really want to do or we're good at, it will be very convenient if the boss always is very nice to us, gives us projects which resonate with us, our friends are never mean to us, life situations are just perfectly placed that our energy is always flowing. How has been your experience? Probably it doesn't work like that, isn't it? So is there an alternative? Yes, there is. And this is something I would like you to consider. Life can bring something. We can still try to balance whatever to their capacity so that we're not overexposed. But the moment life still brings you something which you are not necessarily ready, just use this three-letter word. As we say, Y-E-S, yes. Because that word, that attitude has a potential to, again, let that law in motion, which is greater the will, greater the flow of energy. Is it easy to do? No, certainly not. But is it worth to practice? Absolutely. And to assist in that, to aid in that, I'm going to give you a small, quick technique. Many times when you feel like there's something really not moving within me, it's like feel like an energy clog. This is something you can do at that moment. You have seen like this water pipe. Sometimes it is clogged with lots of kinks in between. One way we do it is we just close the other end, which is the open end of the pipe, and then open the tap water and let the flow quickly. And that pressure has a capacity to all of a sudden just fix the kinks itself. Something similar principle we're going to use for ourselves. So what we're going to do is we take a nice long inhalation and then tense the entire body wherever you are. If you are in a place where you can't do it very openly, just do it secretly. Nobody needs to know what you're doing. If you can do it and nobody's watching, you can even tense your facial muscle. Just hold the breath, hold the tension just for a moment, till the extent you can see my body is a little vibrating. You see the kinks. And then exhale. You'll see even that exhalation, all of a sudden you will feel that there is something sort of washing your body from within. Once, if it is not enough, do it again. Hold the tension, hold the breath, vibrate the body and exhale. And then, hopefully and certainly, this will sort of just free up few of those. So that if with that life situation, there was like a big no within yourself, now you're in a better capacity to look at it again. And maybe you can say yes and let that principle of greater the will, greater the flow of energy manifest within. Joy to you.